So guys, I'm home. So mag-unload tayo guys ng ating binili. See you guys. Guys, magluluto tayo guys ng chicken and rice.
I'll probably get sick of watching the chicken and rice.
So yun guys, yung ating chicken and rice before. So hi guys, so I am gonna make a tinulang manok, my own version. Okay, so I already sliced with tomato, chicken thigh, ginger and onion, and I mean garlic, ginger and onion and sayote, and I have a vegetables. The from is organic, so I'm gonna show you later. Hindi pa mainit yung ano natin. Lagyan natin ng oil konti para igisa natin yung ating mga ingredients. So, and my chili from my garden too is organic. So, lagyan na natin yung ating ginger. Lagyan natin yung tomato guys. So, ilagay natin guys yung garlic. Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung garlic. O, diba? Yung onion at saka garlic na lang sabay natin. Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung onion guys. Ang garlic. Nalate ang garlic. So, yun na guys yung ating tinola. My own version. Yun na guys. Lagay na natin yung ating sayote. Sayote po ito guys ha. Natin siya. Marami guys, maraming gulay, mas masarap. Tapos mayroon pa tayong alokbati. Galing sa aking garden. Nag-harvest po ako ngayon. Second harvest ko po yung alokbati. I mean, first harvest ko yung alokbati, but yung kangkong, second harvest ko na po. Kasi naka-harvest ako last week ng kangkong. Masarap siya, organic. So yun na guys, yung ating tinula looks so yummy. Ilagay na natin tawag dito, gulay na dahon. Lagyan natin guys yung alokbati. Ayan, ang sarap nito, ang daming gulay. Hindi na ako magkakanin guys, yan na yung pinakakanin ko, yung gulay. Wow. Look. Pakuluin ko lang to saglit and then done. Kasi ang alokbati naman madali lang maluto. Ayan. Ilagay natin yung may sili ako dito. Hiniwa-hiwa ko na siya guys kasi hindi naman tumanghang. Ayan. Look at that guys, our tinola. Sarap, kain tayo. Wow. Look at that, guys. I think it's done.
It better be, it's been cooking for 3 hours.
Guys, it's so masarap. Wow, look at the honey.